See, nobody cares about you guys. They just want you to watch their videos. You want to know how I care about you guys? Because you guys asked me to make this video right here. In my last video, this is the traffic I was getting. ChatGPT Pro versus Gemini Pro. So that's how I know that you guys would like to know a comparison between the two. But I'm going to show you a little bit more than what most will show you. A lot of people are just showing you tutorials for how to use ChatGPT Pro and how to use Gemini 3 and Google AI Studio and everything like that, but they're not showing you how to make passive income with it. And how do I know that you guys want to make passive income using AI, namely ChatGPT Pro and Google Pro? Well, this is a video I did a while back. One of the first ChatGPT videos I did. It got over 337,000 views on it and 16.1 thousand subscribers. And if you look at my channel now, you can see I get nowhere near close to that amount of views. So that is what you guys reward me with when I actually talk about stuff that you guys are interested in instead of teaching you stuff you don't want to know. Right. So I know you want to know the comparison. So let me help you out with that. Which one is better? Which one can get you the passive income quicker? All right. Well, they're head and head. Think about it. It's kind of like Android versus Apple. Most people will go with Apple, but it's because of branding, right? Branding purposes. For the past couple of years, ChatGPT has been ruling the game. Google took a while to build their response and everything. So when you think of AI, LLMs and everything like that right now, you think mainly of ChatGPT. So it gets to the point where you barely even want to try anything Google is coming out with. But let me tell you guys, Gemini 3 is crazy. So you come over here to the Google AI Studio and you'll be able to see everything they have in there. I'm pretty sure you can't go through Google or YouTube without seeing somebody talking about Nano, Banana Pro, or something like that with the state of the art image generation and all of that. That's cool and everything. So before we get started, and I'll tell you what you can use them for in regards to making money, what I want to do is I want to go over the pricing because a lot of people don't care. They just do these videos and they want you to sign up for all the subscriptions in the world. And before you know it, when you get your check, everything just comes out immediately. So let's come over here real quick. We'll go to ChatGPT's pricing first. Click on the pro plan. Let me close that out real quick. My bad, yeah. Upgrade plan real quick. All right, so my plan is already on. I am on a plus plan. It is only $20 per month, but I'm going to actually show you what that comes with. If you want the business plan, obviously, well, I have the plus plan for business. If you want the business plan in the business tab, it's $25 per month. And as you guys can see, on to the right, it comes with unlimited messages, and GPT-5 produces images, videos, slides, and more. Put a hashtag yes Lord in the chat if you're feeling that. You can actually deploy agents and code, capture meeting notes, simplify billing, user management, SharePoint, and other tools. So it's code with it. It's definitely code with it. And this is in the business tab. If you just want the personal tab, you can get this one too. And it'll just have the basics and everything. But for most of you guys, you're running a marketing agency or you just a content creator. So it's not doing too much that you'll need like some super sophisticated version of it for or some super upgraded expensive package. But let's see what models come with it. As you can see, it has the new GPT 5.1. It has the 5.1. It has the instant answers right away thinking. You can check out the legacy models, and that has the instant, and it has the thinking and the GPT-4 as well. Okay, so it comes with a lot with ChatGPT. It gets the job done. Don't forget that you can still create your custom GPTs over here, which is a non-coder's version of being able to create an app yourself in programming and everything. So it's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. But let's come over here to Google AI Studio where we can see Gemini 3 Pro. Let's go to the pricing. Now, a lot of people don't like their pricing model. That's one of the deciding factors for a lot of people. I have to admit, is a pretty penny, but it's ugly, right? If you get what I was talking about. All right. So the free plan, it gives you access to 2.5 flash. It gives you limited access to 3 Pro. It gives you image generation and editing, deep research, Gemini Live, Canvas, and some gems. Now, this is the part that people have an issue with. 100 monthly AI credits. That is nothing. You can use that I mean, before the day is out. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Flow access to the AI filmmaking tool to create cinematic scenes and stories. Like that can last a little second. You understand what I'm saying? Like if you just want to use it for B-roll, if you guys have like a travel channel that you talk about destinations, but you don't really travel anywhere, that can work. You know, it looks very realistic. VO3, but the problem with VO3 is it's extremely expensive and you don't get that much. A lot of people have back alley deals and stuff when you see them making all of this content with it, or they're paying for this package all the way to the right, which is Google AI Ultra. Unlock the highest level of access to the best of Google AI and exclusive features. Okay, so for 3 months, you can get this one for only 124, and it comes with everything in Google AI Pro. The Gemini app highest limits to models and features. So it says the highest models, guys. I need y'all to understand that, like, if you're doing a whole bunch of stuff, that still ain't gonna matter. Like highest model, you know what I'm saying? Like if you doing a lot, like if you're an agency or if you're a person that has multiple channels and stuff and you're trying to run whole AI channels and stuff, unless you're releasing one video a week, it's gonna be difficult. A lot of people do these videos and they do demonstrations so they don't have to spend a lot of money on these models and stuff. But if you're actually running channels, especially like multiple YouTube channels that based off of AI that upload multiple times a day or something like that, then these credits are going to run out real quick. You know what I'm saying? So I suggest you check the pinned comment for the alternatives that I have for you guys. The alternatives are cheaper. They're not free, but they're cheaper than this. So which one do you think will be best for you? As I said in the past, I used ChatGPT and I showed people how to actually build passive income by creating courses in mass. You understand what I'm saying? But you can also do the same thing with Google Gemini 3. All right. This video right here, if you're still watching this right now, as you can see, it's starting to do a little bit better than my latest videos, right? That's because I'm talking about the same thing that I talked about in the other one. Gemini 3 Pro, how you can clone all of the Udemy courses and make passive income using the Gemini 3 Pro. So it's kind of easier than with the ChatGPT one, but if you're new around the Google area, it might take a little learning curve or whatever, but you can make a lot of money with both, guys. It's just a preference situation. Neither one of them is the devil, neither one of them is God. So go ahead and check it out and you give it a try yourself. Tell me what you think.